Hi everybody, I'm John Schwarzer from Highland Property Agents and I'm here with George Kalouris, the President of the Cronulla Seagulls FC. We're here today to give you a quick rundown on the 2015 football season. Welcome George.
Thank you very much, John. So I'm the Cronulla Seagulls President. I would like to welcome all the new players and coaches and managers for 2015 and also the returning players and managers. 2015 looks like it's going to be a record year for Cronulla Seagulls. We have already cracked over 1,300 players, which is a record for the club. We're heading towards 1,350 and we've also got more than 120 teams. So it looks like it's going to be a sensational year for Cronulla Seagulls. Out of the 1,300 players we've got registered, the majority are the juniors. So we're talking about between 6 and 16. So we've got something close to 800 players, which makes us one of the biggest junior-based club.
Okay George, so what upcoming events do we have for the club?
Our next event is this Saturday morning, coming up on the 28th. We've got our inter-club trial games. So I would like all the coaches and managers to check on our website to see what time your team's playing. We've got the under 6s starting from 8:30 in the morning, so please check our website and find out what time your team's playing.
Okay George, so when does competition actually start?
Okay, for 2015 the competition will start the 28th of March. Now we won't be playing during the Easter weekend and the competition will recommence the week after. Now I would also like to mention that there will be no games on Anzac Day on the Saturday competition. All those games will be transferred to Monday, the long weekend.
Okay George, so what about training for the teams?
Okay, most of the teams have requested for their timing slots. What we've also done this year for the under 6 and 7s, just to make it easy from experience I've had from the past, we have the under 6s training from Monday nights from 4 to 5 and the under 7s between 5 and 6. Now the reason we've done that is that way we will have some assistant coaches up at Woolooware Oval on Mondays. So if any teams need assistance, please give us a yell. I'll be up there the first couple of weeks and more than happy to help you out. Now I would also like to mention that if it is raining, always check our website at Cronulla Seagulls. There'll be an update after 10:30 to let you know whether the grounds are open for training. But when it comes to the weekend, please remember that you need to call the club. The club controls the Saturday and Sunday competition. The council controls Monday to Friday training. We are very excited for 2015. And first of all, I would like to thank all our sponsors, our major sponsor, Highland Property Agents, and all our other sponsors. For anybody that doesn't know, that Cronulla Seagulls have got a home ground at 5 Sports, and without Highlands and all our other sponsors, it wouldn't have been possible to be able to play at 5 Sports.
Well, there you have it, everybody. It looks like it's going to be a really, really exciting year. George, thanks so much for joining me.
Thank you.
And we'll keep you updated throughout the year with these little video tips. So best of luck for the season and look forward to a great year ahead.